What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Hopefully you guys had a good holiday, and hopefully you had a good Black Friday. Hopefully you guys made some money. Hopefully you guys took advantage of the V2 course when it was on sale for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Now the only thing that is left is the Cash App course, and that will be, basically going off sale a day after this video is up. So hope you guys took advantage or will take advantage of all of those little sales that are going on or whatnot. The only reason the Cash App course is still on sale is solely because there's a lot of people hitting me up ever since I made the zip video, basically asking, will that work on the Cash App course? So yeah, it does work. All you gotta do is just, go in the back. You guys will just see it here in a little bit. Basically just create a card, a one-time payment card or whatnot, and you just use those credit card numbers and then you just order from wherever. So it works on anywhere. But yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out, because I know some people were having some problems. It was like, oh, it asked me for a credit card. Like, it didn't ask me for a credit card. Like, a lot of people hit me up, like, oh my God, I had no idea about this. Like, I didn't either. Like, legit, just, there's a link down below. You click that. It's gonna basically, you put in your phone number and it's gonna text you a link to go and download it from iOS or Android. You download it and then you pretty much just start ordering shit. I mean, it really is just that simple. At least that's how it is for me. And again, you guys will see my entire process here. I actually ordered an Oculus Quest and everything. But anyway, let's jump to the video. Alrighty, so here is the Oculus Quest. As you guys see, I ordered it about a week ago and it was delivered today. As you can see, it's 30th. Hey Google, what's today's date?
It is Tuesday, November 30th, 2021.
See, there you go. Rest in peace to everybody who has a Google device. But anyway, you guys can see right here as well. Boom. I have some payments due on here. So let's just go ahead and click the next one. All right, so you see I got two things right here, and I'm on the last payment with this one, and this right here is the Oculus Quest. So you see November 24th and December 8th. So we're just gonna go ahead and click pay. Here, click pay. Boom, payment successful. And as you guys can see right here, the balance just went up. So I already got it. Like I said, you see it's literally right here, and I still haven't even paid it off yet. And again, I didn't put in any social security number or anything like that for Zip. So I got some tips for you guys when it comes to using this app. So you see I'm in here right here. It says, hi there, DeAngelo. Welcome back. Your available balance is 0. Now, I don't know why it doesn't say that I have money, but it just does it. Now, if I go to in-store or something like that, and I'm talking about, oh, I want to spend, let's say I want to spend $2, right? It says your available balance is 0, so it won't let me do anything. But if I jump over to Mercari and I try to buy something, let's see what happens, right? So let's say I want to buy, this phone, because I was actually talking to this dude about getting this phone right here. So let me see, I'm gonna go make him an offer, to see if he'll take it. So let's say I make him an offer of like, let's say 220. All right, make buddy an offer. It's gonna come up here, as you can see right here, already up there. Pay with Zip, 4 payments right here. It's gonna be 240. I go to Zip. Then it's going to, so ours already automatically signed in. As you can see, only thing I'll be due today is $60. There goes my same card information again. Then I'll just click confirm payment. Confirm payment. And boom, thank you. So as you can see, on the app itself, it says I didn't have any money at all, but you see I just sent dude an offer for $220. And if we jump back over here to Zip, as you guys can see right here, $240. So it went through no problem. So I have no idea why it does that, but that's just what happens. So if the guy accepts that offer, it'll just, be just like these other ones right here. If he doesn't accept it, then I just come back here and I'll just click cancel, and then that'll be that. So yeah, it works, guys. If you want to order from anywhere else, other than, like, let's say a website that's not on here. So let's say you were trying to get the V2 course right now or something like that. It's not going to show up on here. So you would just click create a one-time card, and then you would basically just put in how much you were going to spend, and then you would click continue, and then, you know, it would work. But obviously mine right here says a zero balance. So I don't know if it's just buggy on my end or if it does this for other people. Like I said, like I literally just showed you guys that I have no balance, but it still let me go and order on Mercari. You know, so I don't know if it will do that just with in-store and trying to get a card, or if it just does that everywhere. Like I said, I have no idea. But yeah, maybe it's just buggy on my end. Let me know your guys' experience down below. Alrighty guys, so I ended up purchasing that phone from earlier. He countered with $235 and rejected to $220. So as you guys can see right here, I clicked buy, I went through, and then, you know, I bought it. Right now, when I went to the zip, it said that it went through, thank you for the purchase. And then when I came back to Mercari, it said that it wasn't eligible for this particular payment on this device or something like that. But it did go through. So like I said, if it says that and you see it right here on your end, you're golden. So as you guys can see right here, $256. My next payment will be December 14th for $64.06. So it does work. If you guys are having problems, just put them in the comment section down below, and I'll try to get to you guys. And that is the entire process. So when I say that you real life just put in your phone number, download it, and then it just instantly works. At least that's how it's been for me, and you know, a lot of other people. If you're having problems, again, just put them in the comment section down below so we can see if we can figure it out together or whatnot. But yeah, like I said, at least for me and a lot of other people, that's real life how simple it is. And you can use this, you know, to make you more money. So, you know, you can go out buy iPhones, you can go buy MacBooks, you can go buy whatever, and then sell it for higher over on Facebook Marketplace, so you don't have to pay for the fees or whatever. Basically, buy low, sell high, simple. And you just keep doing that over and over and over. And then once you get paid for it, you just go and pay off the bill, and then literally you can just keep doing it over and over and over again. So yeah, for my people out there that don't have a lot of capital to start with and you're trying to get into the flipping game, again, right now is the perfect time. You got Christmas right around the corner, so people are going to be buying up stuff for this entire month here, you know, just getting ready for Christmas. So yeah, flipping is a major one that you can do right now to start making some money.